In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add honors and awards to your LinkedIn profile. Adding honors and awards can give your profile more credibility and help you stand out. Many people forget to include this section, and it can make a real difference when someone reviews your profile. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're there, you'll see your profile picture icon at the top of the screen. It's labeled Me. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll want to select View Profile. Selecting this option will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where all the magic happens. When you arrive at your profile page, take a moment to scroll down a little. Here you should see an option called Add Profile Section. Click on it. Tapping into this feature opens a menu presenting you with a variety of categories. Take a moment to explore what's available, but since we're focusing on honors and awards today, we'll move on to the next step. If there are any open tabs under the core section you'd like to close, feel free to do so for a clear view. What you want to do here is find the additional drop-down arrow and click to expand it. From the list of options that appear, you'll see Add Honors and Awards. This is what we need, so go ahead and select that. Now comes the fun part, entering your specific details. First, you'll enter the title of your honor or award. Make sure it's accurately named, as this is what other professionals will see. Next, under Associated With, you'll notice a drop-down list. Here you can pick the company or organization you were with when you received this honor. Proceed to the Issuer field. This is where you type in the name of the institution that presented you with the award. Recall as best you can, as accuracy here strengthens your profile's authenticity. For the issue date, use the convenient drop-down menu to select both the month and year when you received the award. Finally, come to the description field. This is your opportunity to write a brief explanation about the honor or award. Make it concise yet descriptive enough to convey its significance. Once you've filled out all these details and you're satisfied, the final step is to click on the Save button. By doing this, you'll successfully add the honor or award to your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. You have successfully enhanced your LinkedIn profile by adding honors and awards. Wasn't that quick and easy? If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more simple tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy networking.